Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. I've got an unboxing and a giveaway for you in this video. Speaking of some of my other giveaways I've got going on, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, we are doing the Ipsy Slice of Paradise palette. I'll put a link for this in the description box down below, as well as my many other giveaways I've got going on. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways. I will take that title. So today we are unboxing a mystery bundle from FabFitFun. They recently had a sale, it was a just because sale. It wasn't part of their annual sale or their quarterly or their edit sales or anything like that. It was a just because, and I did pick up a mystery bundle from it. It was $29. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. I also have 3 starter boxes to give away. So just leave me your email address and I will send that off to FabFitFun for you. So basically what you have to do to get the starter boxes through FabFitFun, I don't have anything to do with it other than sending them off your email and name. They will send you an email and you basically sign up for FabFitFun. You do have 21 days to cancel it, and it's only good for people who have never tried FabFitFun before, basically using that email address. And then they will send you out a starter box, and it's usually over a $75 value in it that you get for free, and all you have to do is pay for the shipping. So I've got that for you guys. If you're interested in that, like I said, I do have the code. If you want to sign up for them, it'll save you $10 off your first box as well. It helps you out and kind of helps me out as well. So let's dive into this mystery bundle and find out what's in here. And I don't even know, all I know is we're gonna give away one of the items in here. And I love FabFitFun. I love them because you get makeup, you get skincare, you get lifestyle, personal items, all sorts of good stuff. So I am anxious to find out. So speaking of lifestyle items, the first item in here is from Envogue Home. It is a set of 3 Trinket trays. We'll open it up here so you can take a look at it. I mean, look how chic this looks. So the set of 3 of them retail for $51. Just so chic looking. Okay, so it's the Envogue Trinket tray set of 3. These Trinket trays are perfect for whatever you can toss in them. I would toss like maybe rings or anything like that. Each is a ceramic size, a 3.5 diameter. I think they are super cute. Love these. That's what I love about FabFitFun. You get stuff that you normally wouldn't get for yourself. And the $51 just paid for the mystery bundle. You know I am a girl who loves my Spongelle. It is basically a body wash infused buffer is what it boils down to. This one is in the scent Ginger and Bergamot. Ooh, that smells really refreshing, you guys. So here's what it kind of looks like. So it is harder to begin with, and the more you use it, the more you work with it, the softer that this will get. So it does a really good exfoliating as well. And they say they last up to 14 washes. Mine last about a month. In fact, I just used one up, so I needed a new one to put in there. It does retail for $16, and this body wash infused buffer will leave your skin smelling fresh like citrus. I love citrus scents. The exfoliator helps restore and rejuvenate your skin, brushing off dead skin cells, and it can be used up to 14 times. Like I said, my lather and mine lasts a lot longer than that. Next we have a product from Milk Makeup. This is their eye pigment. It does retail for $24, and it's a vivid, highly pigmented cream eyeshadow in a portable tube that delivers bold color in one swipe. Basically, it brings a pop of color to your look. With the Milk Makeup's long-wearing eye pigment, it gives you tenacious color with soft, silky texture, drying on quickly without creasing. Create a dimensional, long-lasting look that's as refined and rebellious as you want. Layer to intensity, easily blendable. The shadow is perfect for giving lids a vibrant touch of color for everyday looks. It is made without parabens, oil, or sulfates. Mine is in the shade All Nighter. It's this really pretty, almost like a gunmetal shade. It's really, really pretty. I like how it's got, looks like it's almost like a multi-chrome to it. Pretty. From Miamica, it's a tampon case. Retails for $12, and it's a fashionable, protective, compact tampon case. Holds up to 5 super tampons with a pocket for pills or liners, a strap to hang on the bathroom hook. This case provides a convenient and discreet way to store your feminine products. It does say "don't cramp my style" on it. Love that saying. It's got this pretty rose gold zipper. Here is your interior. On this side here is kind of that pocket area. Super, super cute. I wish they had it back in my day. I have had a hysterectomy, so I don't have my monthly friend anymore. So let's give this away, and let's do something different and give this away in this video. So the total of this box was $103. Pretty good for what, you know, the $29 that you spent. I mean, these trays were so cute. You know, I love my Spongellas, and I really like this shade. I think it's super pretty for Milk. I'm really happy with this box and excited to give this to one of you ladies. So my giveaways are really easy. They are, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video in its entirety. I've got to get my watch time minutes up. I'm so far behind on those. And then be a subscriber, because I do this as a way for me to give back to you, because I love giving back to you guys. Like this video. I will put a Google link, form link in the description box down below. Make sure to click it, fill out the form, because that's where I do choose the person from. Please only fill that form out once, so that way it is fair to everybody. Make sure to put your YouTube name on there so I can make sure, yes, this person is a subscriber. I do a random number generator from all the entries, plus the extra bonus entries that you can get as a way to pick the winner. Bonus entries are, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beautyama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And then if you share this video, like I said, I'm really trying to grow this channel and how do you get it monetized, get my watch time minutes up. So if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is a way of me purchasing this to give back to you. It is open internationally. Where it's legal, and you know, some countries it's not legal, so where it is. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, anything like that for it to get to you, or if it's lost in shipping or damaged or anything like that. Let's have this giveaway go through August 24th. On August 25th, I will go ahead and pick the winner. When I do it, doing the random number, I will pin the person's first name and first initial of their last name, as well as send them out either an email or a message on Instagram, however they want me to get a hold of them, letting them know that their prize is in the mail. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Please stay safe. Take care of yourselves. And take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway, you guys. Bye.